Their friends and family, Mario and Raquel, have come to offer themselves to God and to each other in the holy bonds of marriage. God has established marriage for our welfare and our enjoyment. Marriage makes sacred the union between a man and a woman and offers to each the opportunity to grow together in more complete manhood and womanhood.
To my one true love, this is the day I envisioned, the moment I met you. I watched as that moment turned into weeks, months, even years. I'm so happy we took today to become one in matrimony before these years turn into a lifetime, which I promise you it will. Your love makes time fly, but your beauty keeps me up to speed. Your presence decorates my life with joy. You have given me more love than I ever knew existed in a woman's heart. The love that fuels me for your life's journey, my all-purpose girl.
I, Mario, pick you, Raquel, to be my wife. I promise, before God and these friends, to be your loving and faithful husband, to share with you in plenty and in want, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, and to join with you, so that together we may serve God and others, as long as we both shall live. God be my help.
You may kiss your wife.
I, Raquel, take you, Mario, to be my husband. I promise, before God and these friends, to be your loving and faithful wife, as long as we both shall live.
Eyes wide open, take it all in. The hearts have spoken, let it begin. A rush to my head and it's technicolor. A rush to my head, into the depths, let it take me under.
They've been extremely inseparable. Mario is indeed the true definition of a gentleman. The very way he looks at her is comforting, and it definitely shows that he loves her and only her.